Well, today we're just doing a little room tour. So I've had quite a few people ask about the room and the collection that's in here. So this is my main modelling room. Two chairs, one for the cat, she gets the lovely leather one, I get the other one. So just in the middle of making a Space 1999 helmet at the moment. Yeah, so I'll go through each section and we'll have a look. Okay, well this is one of my display cabinets. Let's have a look. So this is the Jerika shelf. So you got lots of Imar models and the Imar figure kits, and then you've got various Thunderbird craft and Captain Scarlet craft, some Dinky toys, and just some cornflake premiums. So just a selection of different models, and then below that we go down into the Space 1999 section. So you got the Megos at the back, some original, some repro, homemade 12-inch figure that I did. You got rare VHSs, the Century Castings moon buggy. And then you've got an astronaut Bergman that I made, and then some other figures that I made down here. My very first scratch built kit I ever did, which was the moon buggy from UFO, the old Airfix 12-inch Eagle, the MI Eagle, which people say is a terrible kit, but I think it makes up into quite a nice looking display piece. The Hawk, Comlock, stun gun, quite rare now, soundtrack album. And then down here, so it gets a bit dark, we've got the Star Trek sort of bottom shelf. So you got the old Ertl Bridge, that's the reissue one. You got some FASA miniatures, some more modern miniatures, repainted Mego figures, the cardboard bridge punch out book. I got quite two or three of them. I made one up, it was fun, not very sturdy. And then coming up to the top of the shelves, it's a Maggie. We've got, oh god, like more Star Trek, the large Enterprise, Playmobil Ghostbusters, various large scale figures, Quint, and then on the top of the cabinet we've got the Alien section. So you've got some of the Alien figures at the back. I need to tidy this one. Remember those, the AEF miniatures you used to get. Some Loot Crate stuff, chopsticks. Oh, I can actually open this top one because it's not blocked. You've got the Ripley and her skivvies, 3D print. There's videos of that up there on my channel. A couple of Dapol TARDISes. I got tons of Dapol boxes. I got a boot sale of the TARDIS and the Dalek boxes, just bloody 20 or 30 of them. The Loot Crate Colonial Marine Green Army Men set, which I think is quite rare now. Some other Dapol figures, some card stuff. It's a bit of a mess, this section. And then we go down to the Doctor Who section. So you got like a Marx Dalek, a Palatoy Dalek, various other Daleks, my little McCready figure. My Jaws diorama that I did, Rollicking Daleks boxed, various different Daleks. Again, this needs a thinning out. Some busts at the back, and then all the classic Who figures. So I've got like the 12-inch David Tennant plus the knockoff figure, which I actually like more. I've got a video of that on the channel. There's 12-inch, my Chris Eccleston custom that I made out of one of the walkie-talkies, repainted stuff. So that's one of my display shelves. Imagine if we ever get an earthquake. There's me and my missus with Mickey Mouse. He was a lovely fella. Sylvester McCoy autograph for some reason stuck there. What else have we got up here? Okay, so this is the sort of Godzilla-y corner. So we've got lots of TARDISes, TARDI. And then we've got some little Godzilla figures, like Gashapon figures, Ghostbusters, not who's the Ghostbusters, Godzilla. There's the Medicom Real Action Hero Godzilla, which is one of my favourite Godzilla figures. Here's Mecha, some Bandai and MI kits. There's Gamera, he's full of meat. Godzuki, soft plush Godzuki, a random Time Lord, he's fell down from somewhere. And we got more Godzilla figures. There's not a lot of light in this corner. And we go down, we've got some Lego. Ultra rare, just get out of the light, an ultra rare Doc Savage figure, which I only found out recently was distributed when the film came out at the premieres, and that came in a little box. It's made by, I think it's Marks. But yeah, only super rare. Sold for sale for about 250 quid. Random lightsabers. Bookshelves. A bit of a mess this corner here. It's my sort of dumping ground for stuff to do for projects. Now we've got all my books, annuals, Space 1999, loads of stuff from when I was a kid, various heavier books, my warps, some cinema posters. Somewhere in there's an original Raiders of the Lost Ark poster. More books, colourform section. Love colourforms, always grab them when I can. I've just got an upgrade to my Buck Rogers set, so I need to sort that out. Mad Max, 12-inch Mad Max figure I made. Mad Max figure. Random sort of shelf, I just banged a load of stuff up here, but I'm going to sort this out. Get some better stuff up here. Lego. Various Daleks. There's the Sevens Dalek. That was my original one, it survived. The Psycho House. And to the next one, we've got the Seaview, the massive kit, Stingray, various Stingrays, and then Doctor Who shelf that's a bit higgledy-piggledy at the moment. Don't know why that's out, I must have been looking at it. The 5th Doctor's Handbook, they're really good books if you can get hold of them. Is it going to go in? Yeah, it's going to go in. And we've got various all my autographs and photo albums. If you want to see my autograph collection, just let me know and I'll do a video on it. I've got far too many CDs. Don't keep many CDs now. Doctor Who books, Doctor Who stuff, Blake 7, Sonic screwdrivers. Should get rid of them really. Doctor Who annuals. I love the Doctor Who annuals. Got the complete set of classic. Another Mego Dennis Fisher figure. Tribble for some reason. Someone complained about it in one of my videos, so I moved it. And then we've got a display case that's got all my little miniatures in, Lord of the Rings. Difficult to see through the glass, but you get an idea. Various aliens figures, Alien, Blake 7. It's just missing my Liberator pistol because I'm just taking it apart in a minute. Thanks Mickey for the handle, it's finally getting used. And we've got Daypole. They were terrible figures, but I do have a soft spot for them. Various Eagle Moss figures, some of my 12-inch. There's Cobra Commander, Sergeant Wilson. Quatermass, we've just done Quatermass 2 for the hammering character. Hitler, don't ask. Michael Caine, various bits and bobs. This is my Star Wars figure wall. They're all the repro ones, but I just bought them because they had a bit of nostalgia, reminded me of when I had all the originals. And so it was the very first Star Wars figure I ever got. 99p in Smiths. So it's all done. And then top shelf, we've got some of my boxed figures. Got some alien stuff, Batman, G.I. Joes, Enemy Visitor figure, all the Thing figures of McCready, Jaws figures, and we've got, I'm just going to extend it a little bit, then we've got some of my 12-inch figures up here. So you've got Snake Plissken, Sharp, Avon, Mark's spy figure, Mike Hazard, I think his name was, Stony Smith, brilliant figure. I loved getting that one. Never had these as kids. The G.I. Joe Duke, including the rare Target version and the sort of production version. The Modern Action Man 30th Anniversary Edition. Original Action Man from when I was a kid. He's a bit loose. Refo stuff. Some Big Jim type action figures. Battlestar Galactica. Again, apologies for the, I'll try and get the shadow out of the way. $6 Million Man, then onto the Black Hole figures. This is my favourite Mego set. There's various figures on the channel about them. My boxed Pizer, all the characters. James Bond from Moonraker, Jaws, Buck Rogers and Tweaky. Biddy Biddy Biddy. My favourite figure ever, the Kenner Indiana Jones figure. There's the new Indiana Jones, or newish, they're probably vintage now anyway. Then we got Mark's Lone Ranger set. Still be picked up really cheaply, they can, it's a lovely set. Various Mego figures, some original Western figures. John from Chips, Starsky and Hutch at the back. All my 3 3/4 Mego and Battlestar Galactica figures, assorted modern and classic. Some original Penguin. I haven't got many original superhero ones, didn't really keep any of them. Some original Star Wars figures, some LJN June figures, a Mark's astronaut figure, and we've got Back to the Future Playmobil. There's the model kit section, so we've got some Vipers and Galactica. Be careful where I stand. Batman. My friend Eric's just made that one, he's done a better job than I did. My Aurora and Ex-Aurora craft, I loved. Moonbus, Proteus, brilliant ship. Daredevil, that was a great UK range, I love those figures. Fighting Furies, brilliant. Western Fighting Fury Indian figure, they're quite rare now. Thunderbird 1 Launch Bay, various other kits. Charlie's Angels, don't know, I got that in a bulk by JJ Arms. He was a great figure. I used to have the Evel Knievel stunt van that they turned in his mobile van. Some Biff Bang Pow Doc 2 figures, Talking Walk, Asterix figures, a few pistols, etc. Coming over here we've got a lot of little miniature figures that don't really go into the cabinet. Denizen Hitchhiker's figures, they're really old. You can still get them though. Various others. If I see sort of unlicensed film figures, I always pick them up. So lots of figures. So we go over to some artwork. So this is my original sketch from Carlos Escara. Such a shame he went well before his time. Poster signed by him and John Wagner. There's me meeting him. Such a nice man. Blake 7 star chart. It's a bit difficult to see, but it's all of the planets mentioned in the programme plotted together. John Ridgway original artwork, which I got from Doctor Who magazine as a present. It was very nice. Some autographs. That's a photo of me and my brother in a Jeep, and we used to do reenactment. Indiana Jones figures. I picked them up, they're the reissue ones because they were just very nice. Georgie Moffat signature, John Pertwee, various other bits and bobs. Then on the top shelf over here is all the 8-inch Megos and Mego-like figures. So you've got Taylor and Snake Plissken, various Star Trek Megos. Some are original from the 70s and some are reproduction ones. I try and pick up originals where I can. The Mego Star Trek Motion Picture, which is a fabulous line. Got quite a few carded and box ones there. There's original Luke there from 1977. It's a good figure. One of my only surviving model builds, which was a scratch built Parker from Thunderbirds for I think the 1987 Model Engineering exhibition. Bit of a Blake 7 dumping ground. I don't know why a T-Rex is attacking a Liberator. There's my flight deck. And then it just goes down into my modelling supplies. And then got my Muppet that I made. There we go. Enterprise bridge for the Mego figures. And then we're back to the display case. So quite a packed little room. There's also a load of magazines and stuff in boxes and comics and got far too much stuff. But let's go and have a look in the other room. Oh, I forgot to show you my figures that are just attached to the wall under the 12-inch figures there. Star Trek ones. The 14-inch Megos that were available from B&M. Lovely range. They stopped selling it, which is a shame. Vintage cardboard, Space 1999. Various talking things. This is where I do all my modelling. It's a bit of a mess because I'm midway through several projects. So there we go. 3D printed. Redoing my Liberator. Doing a 3D printed Space 1999 helmet to go with my spacesuit, Mando, etc. So let's go to the other room. Well, this is my little workroom, PC. This is where I film. So there's the film angle. I've got a couple of lights. They were pretty good. They were Amazon. One Amazon Prime Day. Drawers. I've got some random stuff. Yeah. I've got some of the games, the Super 8s, and then all the Blu-rays. There's my Doctor Who. Almost got all of them on Blu-ray now, but got every story. Lots of different titles. There's a Weetabix Star Trek vintage. There's not really any rhyme or reason to the Blu-rays. Some are in alphabetical, some are not. So it's almost impossible to find anything. I should put them in order really. But I'm always in the dilemma of, do you do it in subject? So I've got like my hammers. So when we do the Hammer in Character podcast, so they're separate. Zombie film separate. And then loads of other stuff A to Z. It's very difficult to decide what to do with them. Well, I hope you enjoyed looking around the room full of rubbish. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you can, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.